niches that earn YouTubers millions of dollars just from ad revenue. So I'm gonna...
You might have probably seen this channel on YouTube. This channel is quite popular just because of its editing technique, and it is really good. Now what if I told you that you can do the same without any professional paid editing apps, but just with Capcut, and replicate the same at the comfort of your home? At the end of the video I will reveal one of the best way this channel hooks you and make you watch the whole video. Number 1. Audio. So you might be wondering, how can I record my audio? I don't have a professional microphone set. Don't worry, you no need a professional microphone and all that stuff. You just need a quiet room where you can record your audio. And note that while recording the video, please do hold the phone right next to your mouth for clarity of the words being spoken. Number 2. Effects. So to add effects you can go to Capcut and then go to the effects tab, then just use effects like blur, etc. Then to add animations, click on the video and then on top click on the animation tab, then just add animations like black fade, slide right in, fade out, zoom out, etc. If you've seen his video, you might have seen how the subtitles move a bit. So, number 3, moving captions. It is really easy to do this. Just click on the text, and then on top just click on font, then change the font to Arial, narrow, bold, italic. Then just head over to the animation tab. There just click on the caption option. There click on expand animation, there you go. Now the bonus tip as promised would be storytelling. And 8 Wealth uses this trick in every video to make his viewers watch the whole video. So first tip is that you have to grab the attention of your viewer. Just like how he does it, take a look at the first line of this video he made. Second would be to provide a solution to the problem. Just like how he does it, take a look. Third tip would be to action them into watching your video. This is how he does it.